Hi everyone, welcome to ACCT4320 Accounting Information System. I'm the instructor Kevin Young. This is Lecture 0, Introduction. In this lecture, I'm going to introduce the course and also the assessment. And we're going to talk about schedules as well. First, course introduction. So we're going to talk about why we're going to have accounting information system. So in the 2012 article from the Journal of Accountancy, there's they talk about the relation between technology and the CPAs. Okay? Computers, internet, and the mobile devices have completely changed this profession. And we have more technologies, softwares, ERP, CRM, XBRL, cloud-based solutions, and artificial intelligence. All these have changed accounting profession. Therefore, CPAs should have the foundational understanding of information technology. So not only we should be able to use those software or systems, but also we need to know how. Okay, we need to understand how software integrates everything, and how the data are collected, and how the data are processed, then how the data are analyzed. The accounting information system brings in considerations from management, finance, and also information system. Basically, it is needed by everywhere in the company. And also survey shows, in fact, most of today's work relates to the accounting systems. Okay? This could be the single most important activities performed by corporate accountants. Therefore, knowing accounting software and information technology are value enhancing for your career. More importantly, we have the CPA exam. Accounting information system is tested in the CPA exam in the business environment and concepts section, BEC section. Okay, and also it is covered in auditing section a little bit as well. So what are those topics covered? The CPA exam covers a variety of topics, including, organizational needs assessment, system design, security, internal controls, COSO, ERM, internet, types of information system, and technology risks, disaster recovery, and many more. Most of these topics are covered in this course. So for more information about the CPA exams, you can check the blueprint from the 2019. Okay, we also get a new update, advancement of the CPA evolution. The AICPA, which is a governing body of the CPA exams, supports CPA evolution, which will transform the CPA, the licensure model, to recognize the rapidly changing skills and competencies that are required of today's CPA and also future CPAs. What is changing is it's going to adopt a core plus discipline model for CPA exams. I think they are planning a 2024 change. So under this new model, each CPA candidate will be required to exhibit core skills in accounting, auditing, tax, technology. I think this will be the same. But in addition to the core, and you're going to choose a discipline. There are 3 disciplines: business reporting and analysis, tax compliance and planning, and information systems and controls. Therefore, information systems and controls will be equally important as the financial reporting, financial accounting, auditing, or tax in future CPA exams. All right? So let's move to the course content. So what will be covered? So these are the main topics we're gonna cover in this course. We're gonna talk about accounting information system in the business world, fraud and controls, system development, documenting information system, and a database. The data analytics, which is new, very new actually, and applications of AIS on certain business processes. In addition to the accounting information system theories and applications, we also go through accounting software, QuickBooks, which is used as a tool to understand accounting information system. Okay, so we picked the QuickBooks to teach you how accounting information system works. Textbooks. So we are using Romeo et al. Accounting Information System, the 15th edition. Okay, the book is available at Pearson. You can get e-text, I think, pretty good price from their website. The 15th edition is substantially revised compared to the previous editions because of the data analytics, which is completely new in the new edition. And we also have the lecture notes. Lecture notes are closely based on the textbook, but with additional multimedia learning materials, okay, which is not available in the textbook. Therefore, the best strategy is to read a book and also read notes and go through those interesting multimedia materials. QuickBooks. No textbook is required for learning QuickBooks. Okay. All the learning materials are posted online in the Blackboard. I recorded, so we have 7 modules in the QuickBooks learning section. For each section, I recorded videos for each section. Okay, so basically you can watch the videos and should be able to understand QuickBooks and also do the assignment. So we do everything in QuickBooks Online Test Drive. The test drive uses a sample company file called Krieger's Design and Landscaping Services. The test drive can be accessed through the following link. You can also search test drive, you know. You should be able to find it. You don't have to create an account or log in. Okay? It's open to everyone. The test drive is open to everyone. Maybe you need to complete a security validation. And also QuickBooks Online Accounting Edition is also free at Intuit education program. just put your information, the school information, you should be able to use QuickBooks, the full edition, online edition, for free for a certain period. However, the full version is not required by this course. We do everything in the test drive, Okay, some tips on QuickBooks Online. So we do everything in the test drive, okay? The test drive is designed for you to explore and try out new things without worrying that you will break something or make mistakes. So once you log out or leave or close the browser, and everything will be gone. All your changes will be gone. Okay, so be careful. Finish your work, output your result before you leave or close the browser. Otherwise, you have to go through it again. Okay? And the test drive file is constantly updated. So you may see different numbers or different date in my videos. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, because it has been updated. So basically, most of these things will be the same. And sometimes the test drive is going to give you error message. Maybe that's their server's problems. Server is busy. So in most cases, you can just clean the browser's history of cookies and retry, and the problem should be gone. Okay, but sometimes if the problem persists, you can contact me, but usually the problem will be gone pretty soon or the next day when the server is not that busy. Alright. Then let's talk about assessment. So we have 2 exams, 25 each, that's 50 points. Midterm and final. Exam schedules are, we're going to talk about schedule later. The QuickBooks assignment alone assignments are 14 points, okay? So we have 7 assignments, 2 points each, that's 14 points. We also have weekly quizzes, that's 12 points. And homework assignment and online discussion together, 24 points. Total, 100 points. Now let's go through those components. QuickBooks Online. Okay, we have 7 individual QuickBooks assignment. Individual. All assignments are due Sunday, December 5th, which is their final exam date. So it looks like you have a lot of times, but please arrange your time and make good progress during the semester. Do not wait until the last week or last few days. Okay? It's going to give you a lot of pressure. Instruction will be released in the Learn Assistant in the QuickBooks modules. Okay? And before you do any of those assignments, if you are a QuickBooks Pro, you don't have to watch the videos. If you're not, please watch the videos and follow all the steps, okay, before you do the assignment, because the video is going to cover, I mean, about 98-99% of these steps required in the assignment. We also have weekly quizzes. So after you learn the materials, okay, watch the weekly videos. I record videos for each lectures. You can try their quizzes. Okay. So to complete the quizzes by the due date, you check the due date in the Blackboard assistance, and we have 12 points in total. We also have 5 homework assignments covering a variety of topics. We may need some of those software like Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is used for database practices. If you don't have Microsoft Access, we have alternative solution for you. Okay? Which may take a little bit effort. So it's better to have Microsoft Access. If not, for example, you only use Apple Mac, it's okay. We have alternative solutions for you. Okay? Grading is based on effort. Again, everything's individually based for this semester, which is very unusual. Well, we have been doing that for almost 2 years. There are weekly online discussions. Okay? So every week we have a topic for you to discuss in the Blackboard. Okay? Be prepared before you post your thread. Better to read others' thread and also add your own thought into the discussion. Do not just copy and paste somebody else's discussion. Okay, it's not acceptable. And also, it's better to post earlier so other people can read your thread. They can read your work. If you post the last minute, by the end of the week, nobody is going to read your discussion except me. Okay, that's really, really sad, right? And also, if you want to make a comment, do not hesitate just to post your comment to other people's thread or discussion, either positive or negative. That's okay. Okay, it's part of the learning process. However, comment to other people's thread is not required. It's not required, but I suggest you do that. Okay, you are creating a very good learning environment for everyone in the discussion board. So your performance will be evaluated by the end of the semester. Two exams. We have midterm exams scheduled on October the 10th, Sunday, which covers lecture 1 to 6. And the exam should be available for the whole day, so it's very flexible. You can pick your best time to finish the test. For more details will be released in the Blackboard before the test. Final exam schedule on December the 5th, okay, which covers the rest of the chapters, and also it covers some of those QuickBooks knowledge questions. So as you can see, exams only account 50% of the total grade, right? Other 50% is from your daily work. Therefore, it's pretty hard to fail in this course. But if you want to get an A grade, do not lose those easy points from your daily work. For example, you take all the weekly quizzes carefully. Try to get to those points, although they are really small points, but do not lose them. Okay, submit all the assignment in time, okay? and put your effort in those assignments. And be prepared for the test. You should be doing good. Okay, final word about online class. Get organized. Okay, the class is divided into weekly modules. Okay, so please arrange your time carefully. Right? Do not, for example, log in and find that today is the last day to submit assignment, but that's too late, right? Get connected. Make sure you check the message from the Blackboard systems and also UHV emails, so people can contact you and get involved, especially in the online discussion part. Right? Post your thread early so everyone can see your idea. If you really have a good idea, post it earlier, right? And read the others' thread discussions before post your comments. Alright, this is pretty much for the introduction. And I can be reached through emails or Blackboard message. But emails could be quicker to reach me. And if you need to discuss, we can have an appointment in the Microsoft team. We can meet over there. Alright, so good luck and let's get started.